What's going on, guys? Well, we have a gnarly ice storm going on right now, and that's an awesome time to do some gear testing. So I have the Olight Seeker 2 Pro. Just did a video on this, the orange one, and I want to leave it out here in the ice storm. It's supposed to snow later as well, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it right there. And we'll get back later and see if it still works. But for now, I've been using this light a lot. Haven't really done any destruction tests yet. Let's see. Light's on. Uh-oh, I dropped it. Seems to still work fine. Oh no, I dropped it again. Yeah, it still works. So, we have half power still. I'm going to go ahead and, like I said, leave this right on that rock right there. I'll leave it with the button up. See if that makes a difference. So you get all that water and rain and snow inside that button and all over the light. And I'll come back later and see what's going on here. So it's supposed to do what it's doing right now, which is kind of freezing rain / hail. All right. It's going to continue this for another 3 hours, and then it's supposed to just full on snow. 2 inches an hour until we get like, I don't know, 2 feet or something. So we'll come back and we'll revisit this after it's been sitting out here in this nasty weather. All right, so it's been about 3 hours or so. Freezing rain and snow thus far. Let's get a shot of that. Frozen to the rock here. And what do you know, it still works. Still the same battery power. In the video screen, it looks like it's blinking, but it's not blinking in person. Change the mode here. Very cool. Alright, well, this is just the quick update. I'm still going to leave it here, button up, and I'm going to let it completely get covered in snow, and we'll dig it out tomorrow sometime, because it's supposed to be at least 1 foot to 2 feet. Alright, guys, well, it's the next morning. We got about, I don't know, 3 inches of snow, and it's actually supposed to snow all day today, so the storm got pushed back a little bit. So what I'm going to do is test this out. It's been about 15 or 16 hours, something like that. But I'm going to do some shoveling, and I'm going to move this, all right, somewhere else where it's not going to get thrown in an accident. So, over here somewhere. There it is. It's actually under the ice. So it's completely under ice right now. I need the shovel. Hang on. This thing is frozen. But how about that? Still works fine. So, the idea that, a realistic idea, using your flashlight, it's wintertime, I don't know, fell out of your pocket or something, gets snowed on all night long, you wake up the next day, you find it, it's going to work fine. Pretty darn cool. Actually, let's turn it back on and see it still has 2 bars of power, I guess you can call that. So let's see, let's put this, I don't know. Let's go back down the driveway here. So don't forget, I'll put this in the back of the truck. Alright, so right here in the truck bed. So we will dig this out tomorrow. Alright guys, well, it's been about 8 hours since the last video clip. So I'm going to go out and check this light for the last time. If it still works, then we know it's going to work. Shouldn't be much of an issue. All right. Shake all the snow off of it. Hey, look at that. Still works great. So I don't know how many hours it's been out here. Like I said, it feels frozen. Still some ice stuck to it. But obviously it works. All right, quality product. Still have the same battery power, by the way. That was one thing I was curious about, is if all that cold would deplete the battery, but it's been fine. You know, it's in the high 20s right now, 28, 29 degrees Fahrenheit. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Brush that snow off. See the Olight Seeker 2 Pro in that nice orange color. But it definitely works. So if you happen to lose it in the driveway or something, doing a project, sits out for a couple days or something, should be totally fine. That's it for now. Hopefully you guys have a wonderful day. And I will see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.